Quelqu'un est venu me chercher. Oui, mais tout le monde cherche le chariot, le seul problème.
Hi everyone, it's me Kieran here from Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today I just wanted to welcome you to a tour of a room here at the Newport Bay Hotel in Disneyland Resort Paris. We've been staying in this room for 2 nights now, so keep that in mind before you watch this video. This room has been slept in, we've been using it. We just always prefer to do our room tours where we've actually kind of been staying in the room just so we get a real feel for kind of what the room's like and the features, but also just to show you what a room's like when you're actually staying in it. So just to start, obviously that's the front door, and then as you walk in you've got a full-length mirror so you can see your Disney outfit for the day. Today I am representing Disneyland California, even though we're here in Disneyland Paris. But yeah, just to kind of show you around the rest of the room. So I'll show you the main living space. So this is where you've got your 2 double beds. And again, you've got those really beautiful nautical themed details that kind of the Newport Bay is famous for. So you've got this gorgeous headboard around the top where you've got all the Disney characters looking down on you while you're sleeping. And then those really cool, how fun are those headboards? And again, really gorgeous pillows as well. The beds are comfortable. They're not the best Disney beds I've slept in, but they are certainly comfortable beds anyway. I've had a great night's sleep, so I won't complain too much. And then you've got a phone there as well, so if you want to kind of call any of the local services, reception, things like that. And then obviously your desk pad and pen with a drawer there for storing things if you want to. Now, just to show you this room as well, so we have a pool view room. So there you are now. Obviously, this is winter. In the summertime, that pool would be quite full with kids enjoying themselves. And then you can see kind of just to the left there is actually the main pool building as well then, where the indoor pool is as well. And a great garden view as well. So you've got gorgeous grounds to look through as well. So again, 2 beds, so perfect if you are sharing kind of with a couple maybe, or you're a family, plenty of space for the 2 of you as well. And then you've then got this dressing unit over here then to get ready if you wanted to, or also where kind of your welcome pack would be. And this would also be as well where your room service breakfast menu is if you wanted to fill that out each morning to get your breakfast order. And then that's where you're going to find the sockets as well. So you've got 1 UK plug, 2 European plugs. So make sure you bring some adapters. It is a bit tricky if you've got plugs that kind of face a certain way. So what we've been using, weirdly, is we've been using an adapter to bring the plug out a little bit further. Just so you know that as well. Just so you kind of got that extra room to fit in your plugs as well. But there's no storage on this unit. However, you have then got plenty of storage here on the TV unit. So this is the TV unit. When you check in, it does say welcome Miller family. So you've got that there as well. Then you've got your little drink station here where you can fill up the ice bucket if you wanted to. That's down the corridor. And again, now what's really cool, and I only spotted this the other day, is if you open this out, that is where your tea facilities are. So if you're someone who likes to make your own tea and coffee in the morning, you can do that in your room here as well with the tea facilities built in. And then again, loads of storage space as well if you are someone who likes to pack things away. And again, that's your dry cleaning if you did want to order dry cleaning while you are here as well. So again, plenty of storage. And then again, just down the side there is 1 more plug socket. These hotels were built before kind of the mobile phone age, as in where smartphones were prevalent. So there aren't as many plugs as you would find in, say, more modern hotels, but they have recently done these rooms up. But here then you can see then into the bathroom, you've got this little dressing area, which again, hi everyone, full mirror, loads of lighting, hairdryer, again, more storage space under here if you need to use it. And again, your Disney toiletries. Again, so you've got a safe, you've got a little wardrobe, an iron. There is a cot as well. If you did want to make use of a cot facility, you do have that as well. And again, plenty of storage space under there if you wanted to put things like shoes and whatnot in there as well. Bathroom, again, perfectly fine bathroom. Shower head is incredibly powerful, so really nice to give you kind of that massage after you've been in the parks all day, just to kind of soothe those aches away. And again, so Disney toiletries again. Again, it's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. You've got this really cool sitting area here as well, which is really nice. So if you have got little ones and you're trying to dry them off so you don't run around, it's just a really great place to place them kind of while you're drying them off. And then just behind the door then will be where the actual toilet is itself. So again, guys, really simple room tour, but this is just a standard room here at the Newport Bay Hotel in Disneyland Resort Paris. If you are thinking of booking a Disneyland Resort stay in the future, definitely do give us a chat. We are Disney specialists and we come to Disneyland as much as possible just to make sure that we're always up to date with the latest updates and to bring the latest news to you guys. Other than that, have a great week. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.